What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to part 1 of my series where I take a mobile game from $0 to $1,000 a month. You might notice that the location behind me is a bit different. I've just moved into a new office space, so just bear with me while I decorate everything and make it look really nice for you guys. And yeah, that's for another video. So like I said in my last video, the goal of this series is to show you the step-by-step process that I use to monetize my games and how I generate revenue among my portfolio. So the goal is to get a new game from $0 to $1,000 a month. And I chose $1,000 a month because I've done it many times before, and also to show you that it's not as difficult as you might think. With the right strategies in place, you too can achieve the same thing. Okay, so in this video I will be introducing you to the game I'm working on, and I will also show you why I chose a specific game and why I think it has potential to make $1,000 a month without using any paid promotions. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I monetize all my games through Skillz, which is a mobile esports platform. And this game is no exception, so I will be using Skillz to monetize this game too. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the game we will be working on. So the name of the game is called Merge Dolls Tournament, and it's themed around these Russian nesting dolls. I thought it would be a cute little fun experience. And before the game starts, there is a tutorial. So I can't stress this enough. You always have to assume that the players who are playing your game for the first time are complete morons. You really have to focus on the onboarding process. Make sure that they understand the rules, the mechanics, and the aim of the game. So you can see I've got the static tutorial. Pretty basic, explains what they need to do. And you'll see as the game starts, there is also an interactive tutorial. So that really drives that onboarding process and makes sure that they, without a doubt, understand how it works. So this is a match 3 type game, and the way it works, you have a certain amount of limited amount of moves. You have a 3-minute timer, and you have to match the same color and size of each doll. You have to match 3 or more, and you'll see they actually grow into a larger size when you match them. So the cool thing about this game is that when you match 3 of the biggest dolls, there's a cool little effect where they spin around and disappear, and the surrounding dolls all grow in size and gives you more points. And the more points you achieve, the higher the level, and once you reach the next level, you get awarded 5 more moves, which keeps you in the game and allows you to build more points. So why do I think this will be a good game for Skillz? It's because match 3 games generally for this demographic, the older demographic, they tend to do really well. They're quite a safe bet. This one has kind of like a unique mechanics in it. So although there are quite a few match 3 Skillz games, this one is a little bit different compared to the other ones. So it also, in my other videos, I explained something called optional depth, and I think this game does it really well, where it's quite easy to understand and pick up, and then it gets harder because you actually have limited moves, so you have to think ahead. You have boosts which you can use during the game, and yeah, this allows more experienced players to get a higher score. It gives the game a bit more strategy to it. So that's really important when this game gets monetized and there are cash tournaments. It's important for players to feel like they're progressing in the game and they're improving all the time. Okay, so that's the game I will be working on. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, the thing is, that is not the finished product. There are different stages during soft launch, so depending on feedback, from the players as well as Skillz. They will request some changes. Maybe they'll ask me to add additional features. So things like maybe combo scores, things like that. And yeah, so it's a process, and this is what I'm taking guys along with to see. And the next video we will be focusing on integrating the Skillz SDK. So I will go through the different tournament templates with you, also how to set them up on the developer console on the Skillz website. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please let me know what you guys think. Do you think this game has what it takes to make $1,000 a month? Let me know. I'm curious to hear your feedback. Maybe you have some ideas for it. That's why I'm doing this whole process, so we can all be a part of it and give feedback and yeah, get this to the goal that I stated before in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next part of these videos, and smash that like button if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.